Hi, it's Chaitra again. Let's talk about planning. I've always found that I'm able to save time and achieve better results when I invest the time early on to come up with a strong plan. It made all the difference in our successful transition to become a cloud-ready partner. I think we have come up with a great structure that certainly worked for us. The first step for all of you is to figure out where you are, which you can do with the Cloud Ready assessment. Once you complete it, it becomes your guide to build an action plan and strategy. In this video, we will focus on step 2 in our 100 days to building our cloud practice. Putting a transition plan to become a cloud solution provider with Microsoft required us to put a strategic plan for acquiring customers and activating them on cloud. Our magic formula is a plan to win and nurture cloud customers. Here are the 8 steps that we and other partners have used to find incredible success in building a cloud practice. An action plan consists of establishing your cloud vision statement, defining your company's monthly recurring revenue goals, defining your cloud customer profile, drafting your cloud solution bundle, signing up for a cloud CSP provider of choice, and identifying your cloud competency to attain. I will briefly go through each step and let you know what worked for my company in our journey to cloud. These steps will also set the foundation for your journey and helps you focus on the key elements for your success. So let's get started. Establishing a cloud vision and anticipated cloud revenue would be a great way to identify the right product and services that you can provide to your customer. In the cloud world, there are 2 components that you will need to address in your vision statement. Number 1, what is your cloud offering that you're going to be providing? And second, what is the recurring revenue you want to accomplish and by when? Focusing on 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 12-month goals will help you optimize your business operation while serving the customers on cloud. What we have is a simple vision template that you can use. What I would like you guys to do is take this template and plug in your solution name and also plug in your monthly recurring revenue. So for example, you want to become a Microsoft Cloud Solution provider for a solution that you want to offer to your customers, and write that solution name, and then also write down an average recurring revenue. It can be $5,000 a month or it can be $10,000 a month. The faster you kind of have your numbers in, it becomes very easy for you to define the kind of growth and kind of customers you want to acquire. Understanding your customer profile is key for winning. I personally look for 5 core areas. I actually take time and complete my due diligence to put an audience profile together. This is where I actually learn about my customers' profiles, their goals, value, challenges, pain points, and objections. I do at least for 10 of the customer profiles to really understand if I really have a market to go behind. The way I do it is I have a very simple template. We focus on 4 core areas. Those are your 4 boxes. And then I have all the demographic and occupation data. This really helps you to really understand all the details that you can put together. Here's an example of how a customer profile comes to life. There are 4 boxes on the left, starting with goals and values, challenges and pain points, objections and roles in the sales process, source of information, and demographic and occupation data. So when you think about the goals and values, they really want to go online to double their customer base. They value health, mastery, adventure, and family. So you need to be cognizant of the value. The challenges and pain points they have is understanding the effort to roll out the online commerce. They have limited resources and budget to invest and ongoing resources to sustain an e-commerce solution. The objections that they may have through the sales process would be, can it be integrated with my existing site? Can we ensure my time and investment is effective? And the role in the sales process is they're a decision maker. They have the money, right? Source of information where they would get is from multiple places, from trade magazines to meetups to Chamber of Commerce. And from a demographic perspective, they are male, they have a certain age group, they live in certain area. Their annual income that they look at or annual revenue they get is anywhere from 300,000 to 500,000. They are very educated and they have a affiliation to many interesting things, and they're active in a PTA. Once you understand, you really can define what kind of solution they are looking for. Now, once you understand your customer profile, you have to stitch your cloud services together to create a complete offering. To accomplish that goal, you need to identify the Microsoft Cloud stack you are comfortable to sell and implement. The second, you need to identify the complementary products you're comfortable to sell and implement. It can be as simple as partner services. The third is, what do customers call you today for? You need to know why are they calling you, and what are the challenges they expect you to address as part of the solution that you're going to offer. Once you understand those four, you stitch is your cloud solution. So here's an example for our company, right? We do offer app dev as a service. So the first thing that we identified, the Microsoft Cloud Stack, was Azure and Power BI. And we identified what's the complementary products. We did not use any partner services because we have our own commerce engine, which is our IP, and Power BI connectors to really create the dashboards. The customers really call us for when they want to architect a cloud app, which needs commerce enablement. We build dashboards and assessment tools, basically as platform as a service. We provide customer support and dashboards. The reason why do they call us? What are the challenges we are actually trying to say? First and foremost, they want to save money, faster to innovate, increase their customer satisfaction. They want to see the execution driven by data, and the last one is strategy development for cloud services. So our cloud solution was turnkey app dev as a service in 8 to 10 weeks. That really helps any company to say, okay, I can do a proof of concept very quickly, and we can go with building a solution with the customer. To resell Microsoft Cloud Services, you need to sign up for a CSP offering. CSP is a Microsoft licensing motion, which means the customer pays as they consume Microsoft Cloud Services. As a partner, it becomes very easy for us to show how the technology will be purchased and how customer needs to pay. The sales cycle becomes shorter. As a partner, you get commission on the consumption of the cloud services. As an indirect partner, you would work closely with your distributor who provides the CSP offering for Office, Azure, Dynamics, and EMS. To have an effective conversation about CSP with your distributor, invest time in getting a demo from them to understand the process of cloud provisioning, billing, and reporting. In my experience working with our disti, I spent about 1.5 months before I was sure they were the right for us, and we signed the CSP agreements with them. Try to keep the conversations focused on the execution of the CSP so you won't stumble when the customer implementation comes around. Earning a Microsoft Cloud competency is how Microsoft recognizes partners who are interested in working with them. which in turn helps Microsoft invest in the right target partners to help them acquire customers and drive consumption. It's a proven way to show customers that you are an expert in a chosen solution area. So there are 5 competencies for cloud, starting with SMB Cloud, Cloud Platform, Cloud Productivity, Cloud CRM, and Enterprise Mobility Solution. Each of it has its own set of requirements and benefits that support your ability to build a cloud or a hybrid cloud business in a specific area. We chose the cloud platform competency because it was aligned to our Azure practice we were building. So I really recommend you to go to the URL on the Microsoft Partner Portal to go and understand the competency options and set the right direction for accomplishing your competency goals. Over the next couple of weeks, I would encourage you to make it a priority to establish your action plan, which really consists of establishing your vision, your monthly recurring revenue goals, defining your customer profile, defining your solution offering, identifying which cloud competency you want to attain, and then sign up for the right CSP provider. You will also want to watch for our next email where we will cover designing your CSP business model, how to stay in touch with other partners via the Yammer, and recommend you to explore the one-on-one personalized cloud coaching and accelerator program to help you build your action plan. Microsoft has negotiated special pricing with us to give you access to the personalized cloud coaching if you're interested. Again, I look forward to engaging with you in the Cloud Ready Yammer group and support you through your journey. So thank you so much for listening. I really appreciate you investing time in building your cloud business. Thank you. Have a great day.